Here is how to mint, buy, and sell NFTs on HyperLiquid. Now, down below, there are chapters so you can fast forward to the section that you want to help you navigate the video easier. So if you know sections, just skip forward. Also, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before moving in on the crypto and Web3 space. Now, first up, you're going to need a wallet. If you've already got a wallet set up, skip forward to the next section. Now, you can use an EVM wallet. I'm going to be using MetaMask, but you can also use Rabby. You could also use another EVM wallet. So we're going to use MetaMask. Head to metamask.io. The best thing to do would actually go to their X account to then get the official link. If you Google it, you might end up with a phishing link, but yeah, just be careful there. So once you're there, you're going to need to add the extension to Chrome. Add the extension to Chrome, add the extension, and then it should pop up with this. Agree to the terms, create new wallet. Agree. Now we will create a password. Now this is a password to access your wallet. Now MetaMask does not keep this password, so you can't recover this password, but we'll get to that in the next section. Now we will secure the wallet. What this will do is it will give us the recovery phrase. Now, if you're smart enough here and you're first up to watch this, I'm actually gonna leave some ETH in this wallet. So yeah, you can take this wallet. This is a burner wallet. Now this is what you wanna do. These words right here, not these exact words, but when you do it yourself, you want to write these down on a piece of paper. If you write them down on a piece of paper, then you're good. Don't screenshot it, don't take a photo of it, don't copy and paste it, because that is how you can get your wallet compromised. And if you end up with a lot of money on there, then you'll end up in a bad spot later. Writing it down on a piece of paper. Now, this is a way that you can back up your wallet. So if you lose access, you forget your login, go to another computer, whatever happens, you can use that phrase and get your wallet back. So write these down, then you're going to put this in, town, solar, reform. There we go. Now you have a wallet set up. Now, first thing you're going to need to do is fund your wallet with some Ethereum on the Ethereum mainnet. Now to do that, copy your address here and then send it from a place like Binance, Coinbase, whatever exchange that you use. Now that you have ETH in your wallet, what you want to do is you want to bridge your Ethereum to Arbitrum. We're going to send the Ethereum there. We're going to 0.024, just because I want to leave a little gas back on Ethereum. And then it will bridge it to Arbitrum. Now you want to send over Ethereum. Ethereum is the gas token that you're going to use. Then once we're over on Arbitrum, we will then convert to USDC and actually do some work there. But you need Ethereum there to actually do your transactions on Arbitrum. Now another note, if you can't see Arbitrum, click this drop down menu and then you'll see Arbitrum 1 up here. Click add, then approve, and then you're good to go. Now this may take a few minutes. You can be in the activity tab and see what's happening, but then you can also jump over to Arbitrum and then see what's happening. And there we go. You can see I've got the Ethereum here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to swap. Now you can swap with something like Uniswap, or you can swap within the app itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap 0.02 ETH and swap it to USDC. Now you do need USDC for the next steps. And there we go. I've still got a little bit of Ethereum, didn't swap it all because I do want to be able to process some gas. Then you're going to want to head to app.hyperliquid.xyz/trade. The /trade will just get you there. Up the top right, connect, then MetaMask, and then connect. Accept, confirm. Now we're in. Now what you'll need to do is actually deposit on to HyperLiquid. Stay connected, establish connection, sign. Now what we're going to do is we're going to deposit our USDC. So we will actually go 31. So we've got 31.13 and then we hit deposit, confirm. And there you go, you can see that we've actually got a balance of USDC. Now you'll notice here that it's in perps. What you need to then do is transfer from perps to spot. So we're going to transfer 31 from perps to spot. Perps is just doing the trading in spot. You're actually buying the token outright. And this will happen almost instantly. Now we're good. Now you want to head to hype/USDC. That's what you'll need. This will most likely be the default one that pops up, but that's what you need. Now we've got that. You want to buy the amount of hype that you would like to buy that you're going to then use on the platforms itself to mint, buy, sell, trade, whatever you want to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy 31 USDC worth of hype, place the order. That's going to get us 2.5 hype. And you can see the transactions gone through down there. So we are good. Now that you've got your hype, you can see down here, we've got the coin, which is hype, how much hype we've got. You then want to hit transfer to EVM. Amount we want to transfer to EVM, 2.5, confirm, could hit max. Now we've got our hype on HyperLiquid and we can do some trading. Now the platform to do all the trading on HyperLiquid is drip.trade. Now once you're there, you'll need to connect your wallet, approve, and there we go, 2.5 hype on HyperLiquid to buy and sell some NFTs. Now I actually like Potatios. I've actually got a Potatio, so let's just buy one now to show you how to actually put one through, because I actually think it's a decent collection. So what we're going to do is put in, just buy it, click on it, we will buy this. It will take 1.39 hyper, confirm buy. Then the transaction will pop up in MetaMask, confirm, processing. And there we go, we've purchased it. So what we'll then do is head to portfolio. And there is the NFT that we've just bought on HyperLiquid. Now that you actually have hype in here, it means that if there are any NFTs that are launching on the launchpad, if there are any NFTs that are launching on a particular website, you are fine. You've got hype, you're good to go to buy. The process is a little convoluted, so if you're not prepared and ready, you could miss out on a hyped mint. But at the moment, things on HyperLiquid are doing decently well when they actually launch, and I think there's a lot of action. Now, just say you want to sell what you've got, head to portfolio, we'll click on it, list item, and what we'll actually do is we'll list the price for 1.69, list one item, confirm, confirm, and we have listed, so we're good to go. Now, why would you want to buy, sell, trade NFTs on HyperLiquid? Well, wealthy Hypeo babies have actually done very well in terms of the price action that's happened. Even though we've had a crazy bit of the market over the 30-day period, it's actually performed quite well. So it went from under a 100 hype floor up to around that 125 to 150 mark, which is quite good. The drip.trade platform has Hypers. Now Hypers is owned by them in a collaboration kind of sense. Think about Tensor on Solana with Tensorians. This is what Hypers are going to be. They're going to get an allocation of JPEG. I actually hold a Hyper, which is good. These things ran up to around 13 Hyper. They did quite well off the rip when you have a look at the pricing on this. So yeah, they ran up quite well from where they launched at. So they're sitting above mint price. Like I touched on recently with Potatios, these things were at a kind of very close to floor, launched after reveal. They actually ran up to that 7 hyper mark, and then since then they've been pulling back, but they have been sitting above mint price. And a lot of these are actually performing quite well, showing a bit of volume. I kind of like it. It's fun. It's a bit of a different play, and things that are actually launching do seem to have a little bit of substance behind them. So yeah, that's why I'm kind of looking at them. That's why I'm trading them. And that's why I kind of like this ecosystem. It's a little bit hard to get to, but it also means that you're just not getting people cheating for sort of 50-cent profits. So yes, that is the fast, easiest, and simplest way to mint, buy, and sell NFTs on HyperLiquid. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was straight to the point, and hopefully it was easy to understand. If you did, go down there, drop some love. I'd very much appreciate it. I had a pleasure making this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.